Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I have a haul for you. I will share with you some new purchases, what I got from Chanel 26P collection, the pre-spring summer 26. There is a shopping vlog which I'll link above in case you've missed it as well. So I can't wait to share my score from the new collection, but also I have some new jewelry ready to wear to show you, and some makeup as well. So if you are curious, keep watching. Okay, I really want to start by showing you some new pieces that I got from Hefang. Hefang offers very fashionable, finely crafted silver pieces. I was so impressed by the intricate craftsmanship that seamlessly blends contemporary trends with meticulous detailing. I was especially drawn to the Nebula collection, and all the pieces are from the Nebula collection. So I'll start with these beautiful stud Nebula ribbon earrings, and these are probably one of my favorites because of how versatile they are. You can wear them in a few different ways as a plain stud to pair with other jewelry, or you can attach the little flowing ribbon and it looks so magical. So you really get two different looks, a classic look with just the stud and more elevated look for, let's say, an evening out. And you can really see the craftsmanship in these pieces. Each piece is hand set using fine jewelry techniques that reflect exceptional artistry and attention to detail. But also next I wanted to show you the ring. The ring is the perfect pair. So this is the meteor ring, and as you can see, it's a gradient of stones that almost like created the meteor's path, and they're paired with a pave set star that almost resembles the brilliance of a shooting star. Next, I'm sure you have definitely spotted this very eye-catching ear cuff, and it is one of the pieces that was a no-brainer. I definitely had to get. This is so easy to wear and stack with other earrings. It looks so chic. I love how it's curved and it really captures the light so beautifully and it sparkles and shines. This ear cuff stays very secure on the ear and it is very comfortable as well. So if you do not have pierced earrings, I love that this is a non-piercing design. This one is another pair of earrings. These are absolutely gorgeous, however they're a bit more dressy. The design is so unique. This is so intricate, and also it does look like high jewelry piece. These are the Nebula earrings. They're very dreamy with a three-dimensional design that's very, in my opinion, romantic. We not only have the delicate crystals to reflect the light, but also these beautiful luminous shell pearls, creating this very soft look. Also in here, another huge favorite, and as soon as you see it, you will understand why. Very intricate design, and I've never seen anything like this. This is a ring with pearls, but the pearls are floating, and we have 4 different rows of pearls. It almost looks like a necklace for your finger. And you guys know how much I love pearls as well. And I'll show you up close. There's also this knot that gathers some of the chain pearls. Also, if you pay attention, the shell pearls vary in size to create, again, this very soft, layered visual texture. And last, I will show you this piece. Again, it's breathtaking, and I really needed something like this for an evening out, and because I have some plans for Valentine's, I thought this would be perfect with the dress I picked to wear as well. It is such a striking piece. As you can see, the design is an array of baguette and square cut stones in varying sizes, but then in between you have these pave set stars that twinkle throughout. From afar, it really resembles the Milky Way. So these are all the new jewelry pieces that I wanted to highlight in today's video. I'll make sure to leave links to all these pieces that I picked up, and I also do have a discount code for you guys. Definitely check them out, especially with Valentine's coming up. I think many of these pieces will make such a special gift for a loved one or treat yourself. So yeah, let me know which piece was your favorite. I honestly cannot decide because I'm obsessed with all of them. Alright, moving on with some Chanel. I cannot wait to show you what I got from the pre-spring summer collection, which I absolutely loved. There were so many amazing things. I could have bought a lot, guys. But I had to stop myself because there is something very special coming up. I bought myself an early Valentine's gift, and it is something that I've been wanting for a long time. So that unboxing will be coming up very soon. Stay tuned. But yeah, as I said, because I splurged quite a lot for that other piece, I had to stop myself and not go crazy with this collection, although yeah, there were so many really great pieces. So let me show you what I got. This I definitely could not leave behind, although I already have one of these. A little spoiler, can you guys guess already what's in here? We have the color. Look at the color. I just couldn't leave it behind, and to be honest, I wasn't even sure if I'd be able to see this piece because I didn't reserve it. I was like, I'm just gonna go, I'm not gonna put anything on hold this time, create a wish list, because I wanted to see some of the pieces in person. Also, I wanted to be a bit careful, as I mentioned, because I just splurged on something really big. So I was like, I'll be good, I'll just go have a look at this. I was very curious to have a look at the color. I wasn't even sure if I'd be able to see this because these little bags are impossible to get. They are so hard to get. They sell out within minutes, literally. So I was very surprised I found it, and they just had one in stock. So I was like, okay, it's meant to be. So yeah, as I said, these are quite tricky to get hold of, but I do have a personal shopper friend and she had two available, which I also posted on my closet account. So if you're not following me, maybe you're missing out, because my friend had two available and they sold within one day. They sold so quick. The first one sold within like 20 minutes and then the other one sold quickly after. That's how popular these are. And how much in demand these are. So I'm glad I managed to find this straight from the boutique. I really love it. As you guys know, I already have one of these Chanel vanity bags. I have a black one in caviar, and I've always told you since I unboxed that bag, I must have mentioned it in at least 3 or 4 videos, that I really regretted not getting it in lambskin. And you can see the difference now. This is in lambskin and it just feels so much more luxurious. The lambskin is buttery soft, it is so shiny and beautiful, whereas the caviar does feel and even look a bit more plasticky. Yes, it is very hard wearing, so if you want an everyday bag that you wouldn't have to baby, definitely go for caviar because lambskin is very delicate. Let's talk about this color. How special and sophisticated is this little bag in this color? It is a burgundy, but it has a hint of purple, so I would say it is more of an aubergine color. I'm not sure how it's translating on camera because today is a very gloomy day. It's very dark outside, it's raining and I have artificial lighting, so I'm not sure if it's showing true to color. I'll definitely make sure to insert some clips, but yeah, the color I fell in love with as soon as I saw it. This is such a neutral color in my eyes. I think this will go with a lot, with grey, with denim, with khaki, with brown, literally with everything. It's a very easy color to style. It does come with a chain. I've already filmed the unboxing of my black one and I reviewed the vanities I have as well, so I'll make sure to link those 2 videos as well. But here is the strap and this is the new bag. Let me know your thoughts. Alright, next I also have something very special, and it is this absolutely beautiful two-piece set that I got from Sandro. Sandro is a more premium brand that I absolutely love. I really love their designs, and I was especially happy because I scored this one on sale, 40% off, so this was such a good saving. And this is a two-piece set. It is black with pearls, and if you look up close the design, we have cute little flowers. The cardigan also has these beautiful pearly buttons. It is short sleeve, and we have the same floral pearly trim on the sleeve. And then the dress, this is the dress underneath. Obviously you do not have to buy them together, you can buy them separately. You can just buy the dress or the cardigan, but I really wanted both. I think when you wear them both together it's such a good look, but also for the transitional period I think the cardigan will be quite useful, or for the late summer evenings when it gets a bit chilly. It's a very light stretchy knit fabric, and I am super excited to wear this. You have no idea, like as soon as I saw it, it was love at first sight, because as you guys know, I love black and I love pearls, and it is such a classic combo. I also had something in mind, and you will find out very, very soon. I keep hinting something to you guys. Let's see how many of you would guess. But yeah, you will find out very soon the other reason I bought this set, because of an upcoming unboxing, very special unboxing. The dress is so flattering on as well. And I love the scoop neck again with the little pearly flowers, and the dress has these pockets on the front. It's a very Chanel design as well, with the little square pockets on the front and the little trim of pearls again. So love this so much. This next we have this cute little Chanel box, and inside, as you can probably tell, we have costume jewelry. So I cannot wait to show you what's in here, and also I cannot believe my luck. You will see why shortly when I show you what's in here. This I did not buy directly from the boutique. It is something that I randomly found. This pair of earrings. Guys, just wait for it. They're the same color. They're the same color, they're different collections. The bag is 26p current collection. The earrings are from 2018. And I could not believe, I'm telling you, when they arrived and when I unboxed them, I honestly did not expect them to be the exact same color, because I saw them online, and I guess when they photographed them they used artificial lighting, and online they looked a lot more red. And when they came and when I unboxed them, I was like, hold on, let me bring my bag, because these look identical, the leather looks identical. And you have no idea how pleasantly surprised I was, because as we know, I like to be matchy, and this is the most perfect match ever. So as I mentioned, these are from 2018. I did not buy them directly from the boutique. Instead, I told you guys in my no-buy list for this year that this year I will focus finding pieces that I missed on, the more special pieces, and especially when it comes to costume jewelry, I will mainly buy from pre-loved websites. I really wanted to gatekeep this website because their stuff is amazing, but Bijou Heaven, one of my favorites, and their prices are unbeatable. But yeah, I've been browsing so many websites to see if I can find any great deals, and these were an amazing deal. The price was so good. I thought they're quite unique and different to what I already have in my collection. It looks like a very vintage design. It's champagne gold, and they look like buttons almost that they put on the jacket, and they're ready to wear pieces. They look amazing on, and they're great for everyday but also for more dressy occasions. So I really love the design. So glad I found them. And last I have some Chanel Beauty, and this is a repurchase. It's one of my hero products. I actually haven't used it in a while because I finished mine. I'm talking about their foundation. This one in particular, the Ultra Wear All Day Comfort Flawless Finish Foundation. I finished mine last summer, and because I'm using a slightly lighter shade, when I finished it in the summer, I needed a darker shade, and I just started using a different foundation that I have from Dior that I also really love. But now, because my tan has faded, I'm definitely a lot more paler. I was like, oh, let me repurchase this foundation, and I have been wearing it now for a couple of days since it arrived, and honestly, I forgot how good this is. It is so beautiful. It is flawless. My face looks like it has a filter on, and it is so long wearing. It lasts all day. I do not get shiny and oily around my T-zone. I normally do throughout the day, but this foundation is a bit more matte, and it just stays put on your face, doesn't crease, doesn't move. It feels very comfortable. It feels like you're not wearing anything on your face. It's not heavy, it's not cakey. You need the tiniest amount. I usually do one pump and it covers my whole face, and it's such a good coverage as well. And then also I wanted to show you the new packaging that they have. Well, it's not new packaging, it's their classic packaging, but they have this new charm for Valentine's Day. And this, when you buy products online, you have to be careful when you check out. You have to select the charm, you have to select this packaging, otherwise they'll just ship the plain packaging without the charm. So pay attention to that when you're checking out, because I think this little charm is so adorable, and you can definitely turn this into a necklace. It's so beautiful with the hearts. And now I'm tempted to order something else so I can get more charms, but I'll try and be good. But these charms I've seen people convert in so many different ways. Some people convert them into earrings, necklaces, keychains, back charms. So yeah, I thought that was really cute, and I really loved the Valentine's charm, so I wanted to show you that as well. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know which piece was your favorite. Don't forget to check out Hefang, because I'm honestly so blown away with their pieces, the quality, the craftsmanship, and the unique designs. You will definitely see me wear them a lot. Obsessed with the rings as well. I'll make sure to link my discount here. You can see it on the screen, but also all the information will be in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Everything will be linked there. Thank you again for watching. I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.